Struggling with laptop overheating or bad posture while working or gaming? Is this the ultimate laptop stand? Today we are unboxing and reviewing the Jiditech 360-degree rotating foldable laptop stand featuring a high-speed cooling fan. And yes, it even has RGB lighting. But does it actually keep your laptop cool? Or is it just for show? Let's see if this is the ultimate desk setup upgrade you need. Opening up the box, we have the instruction manual, the stand itself, tools needed for the adjustment and setup, and the USB power cable for the fan and RGB lights. Right off the bat, the aluminum alloy build feels solid and premium. My first impression, the build feels solid. It's got some weight to it, which is good for stability. It has anti-slip silicone pads at the base to keep it in place. And it has anti-slip silicone pads on top to keep your device secure and prevent scratches. The folding mechanism is nice and stiff. It feels like it won't sag over time. This is the super cooling fan. What I'm doing is loosening all the joints so I can adjust the height of the stand and the angle. One of the key features of this stand is its foldable and portable design. It folds completely flat, so you can easily slide it into your laptop bag for travel. Now for the initial adjustment of the height and angle. It's fully height and angle adjustable. The height is adjustable up to 12 inches high. Raising your screen to eye level reduces neck strain and office syndrome. The fan is magnetic, no screws needed to attach it to the laptop stand. Now let's talk about the fan. It's a 5-inch turbo super cooling fan. It's a cooling system which accelerates air circulation to dissipate heat. It's high speed, but is it loud? It's quiet. The fan runs quietly while keeping your system cool during heavy workloads or gaming. And of course, the RGB lights really adds that gamer aesthetic to your desk setup. Now let's test the cooling performance. It features a high-speed turbofan to pull heat away from your laptop's intake vents. It's strong, it's super cooling. As you can see, the laptop is currently seated on a wireframe platform on a messy table. I had the table cleared of stuffs to give room for the laptop stand on the table. And this fan will no longer be needed as the laptop stand has its own super cooling fan. This time, I'm loosening the screws on these joints for adjusting the angle of the plate on which the laptop will rest. Earlier, I had height adjustment. Now that I have the angle of the plate adjusted, it's time to tighten the joints, making sure these joints will not move when the laptop is put in place. Now, testing the ability of the stand against the pressure I'm applying. It's strong and sturdy. The heavy-duty joints hold the weight of the laptop firmly with zero slipping. The extra large contact surface of the plate fits 10 to 17-inch laptops, tablets, and iPads. The stand has a strong load capacity of 10 kilograms. What I love is the heavy-duty alloy construction. It's a game changer for stability, and the height adjustment is great for ergonomics. What could be better? Overall, if you need a stand that combines cooling with style, this is a strong contender. The 360-degree rotation is super smooth. It gives a satisfying smooth click when rotated, making it super easy and convenient to share your screen during meetings or group work. Even with laptop, the non-slip pads hold both the laptop and the stand securely in place. So if you want an ergonomic, solid metal stand that combines 360-degree rotation, active fan cooling, and RGB lighting, the Jiditech laptop stand is a fantastic budget-friendly choice for your setup. Let me know in the comments, do you care about RGB lighting on your desk accessories? If you enjoyed this video and found this review helpful, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to Teacher Bob and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to get notified for new upload. Please check out the end screens for more contents like this. Thank you for watching.